Hi classmates, hi Sir Ed. So I cannot come tonight. By the way, I will be discussing and the benefits that will be offered to them. Siyempre partners natin sila and we want the best also para ma-endorse nila tayo sa mga patients nila. Here we go. First of all, we want to know the market. Kung ilan ba yung hospitals starting sa Pasig area. Ito, what we found out is that we have 21 hospitals available in the Pasig area. Dinami na namin yung mega clinic sa Shangri-La. Since nasa lumad lang sila ng Pasig and Mandaluyong, medyo alanganin to there. What we found out is that, ayan nga, merong 21 na available online. You can search them. But the problem is that 651 online lang ang listed doctors per hospital. 651 online listed doctors lang ang nakalist online. Isipin mo sa 21 na hospitals na yan, 4 lang yung talagang maraming, kumbaga, pag tinignan mo sila, the hospital has the website and the directory of the doctors, the schedule is there, the specialization is there. Meanwhile, the rest of the doctors, the rest of the hospitals, parang kanya-kanyang registration lang sila or plug in online if they will make their profiles sa Practo, sa Find My Doctors, anywhere like that. So what we found out is that 312 doctors can be seen from or can be consulted from the medical city, 187 from Mega Clinic, 80 from Healthway Shangri-La Plaza, 46 from Pasig Doctors Medical Center. But remember, there are still, I don't think that this is already the numbers. But I believe that Mary Immaculate Hospital have more than one doctor, and similar with Mother Regina Hospital. So, let's stay conservative. So, ito yung data natin. Push tayo dito. Anyway, ito ngayon yung mag-feature ng application. Next to June. Siyempre, meron tayong doctor's profile. The doctor will have to register dun sa app and we will create a doctor code. Followed by, meron ka siyempre features na makikita sa app. So, ito ngayon, doctor profile, patient details. To talk about it, next slide tayo. Another one. So, RxPress Basic. Bakit natin siya tinawag na RxPress Basic? Kasi meron tayong level up version or yung premium or premium plus. Now, what we will have in the RxPress Basic is the doctor's profile, patient details, planner, Rx log, payment system, report system, and the report system. Patient details, dito na lahat ng database ng patients mo. Unlimited storage, you can actually upload all the test results, x-ray, findings, anytime, anywhere, pwede mo siya ma-access. So, kung meron kang different clinics and si patient gusto niya mag-change ng clinic location, he or she wants to be somewhere else, you can actually do the consultation there. And, eto pa, planner naman, the planner will alarm you of your upcoming schedule. Si Rx Live, you can actually print your prescription, you can do it online, and valid na i-accept ng mga pharmaceutical partners. Also, we have the online payment system para cashless na yung transaction natin. Reward system, first doctor's reward for every referral, successful referral from co-doctors and patients, you get a reward from them. Not reward from us for sharing our products to them. So also, commission based on partner pharmaceuticals. So for example, you keep on, you have brought up a sale of 100,000 pharmaceutical. You can actually get a commission based from that. Depende kung anong incentive pharmaceutical for the doctors. Here, the report generation naman, you can actually have patient's profile and arrange kung ano ngayon time slot na may highest kang patient or pwede mo pwede mo i-adjust, ganyan, and what age group is most of your patient, saan nagbibilong yung patients mo, kung ano common illness nila. So, there. Our Express Premium naman, ito yung report generated using data from all the users. Statistical data lang to keep their health data pa rin na private by the law na i-access without the permission ng mga patients. Here, refer a doctor. This is another feature, premium feature, where the doctor can refer you for your good standing. What will happen here is that you can have the priority listing kapag nag-search, for example, si patient ng doctor within that area and specialization. Via digital assistant. Si digital assistant, she will act as your personal assistant, your front desk officer, and will do preliminary checks on your patient's information. She will summarize the details, the history, and nalabas na rin doon kung ano yung parang concern niya. Also, she will answer your frequently asked. Dr. Live naman, ito, next stage pa to. So, kaya siya tinawag na Dr. Live Premium Plus. Premium Plus kasi this will cost $199 per month, unlike the premium version, which is only 500 pesos per month. Si Dr. Live, ang intention dito is to actually have an online consultation facility. The online consultation facility, and still you can have consultation fees. So, anytime, anywhere, you can hold your clinic. As long as hindi naman kailangan talaga ng physical examination. Kailangan mo lang makausap si patient. Ano lang siya, kailangan niya magpa-check ng result. You can do that. So, there. Example, case 1, 50% ng doctors natin, 651 yung doctors na nakita natin, 50% lang nun subscribe sa premium. How much will you do? There. So, 651 times 0.5, meron kang 325 doctors. 325 doctors times 500 pesos, 160,500 per month. And, kung magiging loyal sila sa atin, which gusto natin na mangyari, 162,500 per month times 12, that's equivalent to 1.95 million. Diba? Hindi na masama, diba? Kasi hindi naman talaga sila target natin na source of income. So, additional stream of income lang din daw for us. And, what if naman, nag-upgrade sila dun sa Dr. Live, diba? Kumita na si doctor ng higher, nakatipid siya sa facility. And, at the same time, tayo, for example, 70%. Nag-upgrade ka, dumami rin yung market natin. So, 70% na ngayon nag-upgrade ng Premium Plus. 651 times 0.7, that's equivalent to 455 doctors. 455 doctors times 999, sorry, correction tayo dyan. 999 per month, that would be 454,000 per month. 454,000 per month, kung 12 months sila continuous nag-subscribe, that would be equivalent to 5.45 million per year. Pwede na. So that's the end of my presentation. Going back to you guys. Thank you so much.